Hey there! Are you looking for a way to earn some extra cash in your free time? Have you ever considered creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy? It's a great way to turn your skills and knowledge into passive income, and the best part is, you don't need to be a master in any specific field. With the help of ChatGPT, creating a course is easier than ever. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $900 a day in passive income by selling online courses on Udemy. First things first, you might be wondering how much money can I make by selling online courses? The answer is, it depends on the topic you choose and the amount of work you're willing to put in. But to give you an idea, let's take a look at Udemy's main page. On there, we can see that their top sellers make a lot of money. For example, this instructor has over 250,000 reviews, which translates to over $30 million. Now, Udemy does take a cut from this, but it's still a great amount of money. So how do you choose a topic that's in high demand? The first and most important step is to do your research. Go to udemy.com and study their categories. Look at the most popular categories and choose a topic that you feel comfortable with and that you know there is a demand for. For example, if you're interested in health and fitness, you can look at the meditation mindfulness category to see if this topic is in high demand. Create a Udemy account, switch to the instructor mode, and go to Tools. Then select Marketplace Insights, type in mindfulness, and as we can see, the top monthly revenue is a bit over $2,000, which shows that this topic is in high demand. But remember, to make the most money, you want to choose a topic that's in high demand with low competition. This way your course will stand out and you'll have a higher chance of making a sale. Also, it's important to choose a topic that you're passionate about, as it will make creating the course more enjoyable. And the better you know your topic, the more valuable your course will be to your students. Once you've chosen your topic, you can use ChatGPT to help you create your course. For example, if you choose goal setting as your topic, you can ask ChatGPT to write you an outline for an online course. In under a minute, you'll have a complete course structure. You can continue doing this with every single bullet point. ChatGPT will write the whole course for you. However, it's important to remember that you should proofread and edit the script before using it. Make sure that everything you're talking about makes sense and that it's written in your own voice. Don't forget, Udemy also provides free tips on how to create a course, so make sure to read through those as well. They will be very beneficial in making your course stand out. Once your course is ready, all you have to do is record the video, edit it, and upload it to Udemy. If you're not comfortable editing the video, there are plenty of YouTube tutorials that can teach you how to do it. Alternatively, you can hire someone on Fiverr to do it for you. Remember, the better your course is, the more money it will make you in the long run. Creating and selling online courses on Udemy is a great way to earn passive income. It's a long-term investment that can pay off greatly, especially if you choose a topic that you're passionate about and that is in high demand. And with the help of ChatGPT, creating a course is easier than ever. You don't have to be an expert in any specific field, just have some knowledge and willingness to share it with others. Plus, you can create multiple courses on different topics and earn even more passive income. Another great thing about selling online courses on Udemy is that it's a scalable business model. Once your course is created, you can sell it to as many students as you want and earn money while you sleep. Moreover, you can continue to update and improve your course to keep it relevant and attract even more students. So what are you waiting for? Start researching popular topics and use ChatGPT to help you create your course. With a little bit of effort and dedication, you can start earning passive income on Udemy in no time. And who knows, you might even turn it into a full-time business and live the life of your dreams. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this. Now,